Hey, let's now try to build end-to-end application as we call it Wordware. I love to build an application that's gonna explain me concept within a context of a certain component. Let's try. So I'm starting by writing the prompt: research diligently following concepts. To do the research, I'm gonna use online enable model. I'm gonna use Sonar large and I'm gonna call it research. Because I didn't specify the concept, I'm gonna add the topic here as an input. It's gonna be variable. And as I mentioned, I'd like to research anything within the context of the company. I wanna research the company first to provide an input to the word app. Do the research about, and here I'm gonna do company name. And I'm gonna use, in this context, Sonar small. It's also modeled by Perplexity, and I'm gonna call it research 2. As we go through the next step, I wanna see how the topic is related to the company, so I need to prompt it. For that purpose, I'm gonna write explain me how topic, I'm referencing the variable here, is or may be related to company. Try to be as detailed as possible. It's gonna now provide, and now I'm gonna add generation, and it's gonna try to link those two topics. I think Claude's gonna be the right model for it, and I'm gonna call it explanation. The next step I'm gonna do here is to simplify the explanation, as it can be quite complex and quite comprehensive because I ask it to be detailed. So I'm gonna type here simplify the explanation as I'm, and here I'm gonna add the input age to try to simplify the terms and simplify the whole explanation process. Actually, we can use GPT-4o. I'm gonna call it final version, and because it's gonna be final version, I'm gonna ask to output only the explanation, no other comments. And now we can see how it goes. We can see step by step what's gonna happen. Topic, let's use AI agents, company Wordware, and in the brackets I'm gonna add reference to YC to make sure that a model will know which word I mean, and age, let's say 15. Let's not make the explanation complex. So as you can see here, we can see what's happening. We can see step-by-step explanation, and we can see then the order generations. I'm thinking once we get this, I will want to get the simple text-to-speech because I want to listen to the brief explanation. So I'm gonna build it, and since I like British, I'm gonna reference, I'm gonna use Lily's voice, and I'm gonna reference the final version as the input. But let's get back to the our initial generation, so we can see what's happening here. We can see the big patients. We can see quite comprehensive references. How is it related to Wordware, etc. So we can see what's happening here. And now we can see the simplified explanation. So we can rerun it to see where the text-to-speech that we natively built in, thanks to 11 Labs, is gonna work. What I'm gonna do in the meantime, I'm gonna check the previous run and I'm gonna see how it sounds. And actually I see that it's not in a most friendly format. I'm gonna try to ask the model to be creative, use simple terms, no bullet points. And this way I already improved this, and now we can see the final version here as it's generating. Thank you.